Hi everyone, meteorologist Ed Valley here taking a look at the Northeast. Our storm is departing. Pretty impressive one. Jersey, New York, Connecticut, Rhode Island, Mass, New Hampshire. Overperformer. Why is that? Well, we'll talk about that in a second. So you see some snow showers on the backside. Those snow showers will continue across the interior, but coastline, the back edge is moving into Providence. Flurries still happening in Northeast Connecticut. Light snow in eastern Mass, heavier snow now up in parts of Maine. The bigger question here is, are we going to see sun? And the answer is yes. We're going to see sun this afternoon. What does that mean? It means our surfaces are likely going to become wet, and then they're going to refreeze this evening. So be sure before 4:30, whenever that sun starts to go behind those trees, you have everything scraped and as clean as you want them, because it will freeze solid tonight. Okay, so that is number one, the most important thing. Snowfall amounts. Holy moly. Look at this. We had a band. Really, it went pretty close to forecast. We had this band that's set up in southeastern areas. The problem with this forecast was not the forecast, it was the snow to liquid ratios we got. So typically a normal storm, let's say it's 10-1. I figured maybe they'd be 12 or 15-1, but we're seeing some instances here where it was 20-30-1. Northeast Connecticut, in the greater Foxborough area, Metro West Boston, even in the New York City area. And look at some of these amounts. It really is impressive. We had a 12, multiple 12s in parts of Connecticut, lots of 10s, even into New York City, a lot of 7 and 8s. Philly, 3, 4, 5s. Boston has seen about 8 or 9. Big drop off though, north and west as expected. Northwest Jersey, only about 1.7 inches of snow, but you go south, you can see 6 inches, right? So pretty good swath of snow. A little bit more than expected because these amounts, or the fluffiness, the fluff factor is up on this storm. So either way, first big one of the year, a little late, better late than never though. And as we move forward here through the rest of this weekend, the big story is going to be on the freeze tonight. So temperatures this afternoon, when we get a little bit of that sun, notice how they pop. 32, 34, 35. Yeah, that's going to be a hard refreeze this evening. By 9 p.m. here, everybody's in the low to mid 20s. And anything that's left on roadways, pure ice. So be sure. Even if it's your own personal driveway, scrape it. You will not regret it. Okay. After that, outside of a snow shower tomorrow, good day. No issues. Tomorrow night, no issues. But Sunday, our next storm system arrives. And as of now, it's a weakening system as it approaches from the west. So early on Sunday morning, you may be looking at this radar and say, oh my goodness, what's going on? Temperatures initially kind of cold. Similar to, I guess that would have been Wednesday morning. Warm south and east, cold though for the rest of us. But as the situation evolves and this precip moves in, temperatures will warm. Can't rule out a period of icy weather, parts of the Lehigh Valley, northwest Jersey, parts of central and northern New England on Sunday morning. But as it moves towards the coast, it's going to rapidly weaken. Here's 1 p.m. Notice it's just a few rain showers along the coast. However, you look at the total freezing rain, there could be an icy glaze in parts of the Lehigh Valley, parts of the interior on Sunday morning as this system moves through. This is a cold front. A lot colder weather coming in behind this, and there is going to be a little bit of snow to the north, a couple inches possible on Sunday as well. But the big story is the cold weather coming in behind the system. Sunday's a warmer day, 30s to near 40. But look at what happens as we get into Sunday night. And this is really the story. So again, we start the evening off pretty mild, but look at this. By Monday morning, teens in single digits north, 20s south. Not going to move much on Monday. Really still stuck in the teens and 20s. And then look what happens Monday night. Whew, very cold. Below 0 central and north, teens in single digits south. And then even Tuesday. But we're not moving much. Single digits for highs. Below 0 north. Probably the coldest day of the year. Of course, as I say that, we'll have a colder day, right? That's how it works. But the lows Tuesday morning are very impressive. The lows Wednesday morning, look at this. 20s below 0 north, teens below 0 central, single digits above and below south. That's cold. The good news is it does not look like there's any major storm systems on the horizon for next week. Outside of whatever happens Sunday, a couple snow showers inland Monday night. We're dry, though, Tuesday, Wednesday, and it's probably not until next weekend we see another storm system arriving from the west. So we'll worry about that when we get there. In the meantime, make sure you scrape all the wet, melted stuff up because it's going to get cold tonight, and then we'll watch Sunday as we get closer. So that's what we got for you. We'll have another video Sunday morning. If you have questions, just let us know.